Hello everyone, welcome to my channel here. In this video number 13 we are going to learn how to merge cell in Excel. This is simple way that we can merge it. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. We can see here my data is in this B2E column, and this is my 3 years of quarter 1 profit data, and I want to make this quarter in middle of this cell. So how can I do it? I will simply I will select the cell. It only happens in one cell, so I will select the cell and I will choose till where I will select the cell which will capture the cell. I will select this much and I want in this middle, so I will select the range and then I will go to home tab, and you can see here merge and center, and you can see other options, but I will click in first merge and center. Just you can see here my quarter now it's shown in the middle of this data. So this is simple way, and if you don't want to go, if you go to back, so we will select same the range and go to home tab and merge and center and unmerge cells. This is just going back to the report, and it's the same position of the starting page. So this only happens in one cell. If I want to do this for 3 January, February, March, this February and March will remove, it will consider only one cell. Let's try it. January, February, March, home tab, merge, and you can see here merging cells only keeps the upper left value and discards other values. When I click this is only select the first one starting from the left side. So you can see only January is shown because it only consider one cell. So I will go for back and I will click Ctrl Z and come to the back, and so this is simple way you can merge it. So if I want to merge this 4, I will select the range and home tab, merge and center, and you can see it is shown in middle of the table. So this is the simple tutorial how to merge cell in Excel. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. This is number 13, how to merge cells, and I'm going to make this video tomorrow for video 14. This is Excel basic tutorial only for beginner. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.